Hi everyone, this is a recycle home decor challenge and it's hosted by Jessica at Measure and Mix and Sikha M. Okay, so sit back and relax and I hope you enjoy. This is my inspiration right here and let's get started. With this one cereal box, we're going to put together the letter M, and this will be part of my home decor in the family room. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to mark a letter M in the middle of the box, and then we gotta start cutting it out. But when you cut it out, you want to leave a cutting line allowance to be folded in, and you will see that demonstrated here. And once you cut out the letter M, now you want to fold in the space around the M, like so. Okay, so I'm going to show you this photo again, making an M and then leaving space around the M before you cut it out. And then once you do that, you're going to fold in the original M line. And now you're going to repeat the same process on the opposite side, the other side of the box. Then it's time to tape all sides together, front and back together. Now, I think masking tape and duct tape will give you a stronger hold, so that's why I switched to. And you'll see that in time to come. Now I'm actually mixing the paint. I'm using glue here. You can use any type of school glue, Elmer glue, whatever, any type of glue. And then we're going to mix one part glue and 2 part paint. This mixture will give us the crackled look that we're trying to achieve. And now you want to give that a good stir. Mix it thoroughly. And now we can begin painting the letter M. And this is the tape I decided to use. I really like this tape, and it's like a burlap tape. And what you're seeing here is actually one coat that was put on completely put on one side. And you'll see the effects really start happening. You may have to wait for a while before you see this. It depends on how thick you put the paint on. Don't forget to go check out the playlist for this collaboration and see all the wonderful participants in this collaboration. And thanks to all my subscribers. And if you're not a part of my channel, please subscribe down below. I have more home decor and DIY to come. This is just the beginning of our creative adventure. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, this is the results. And if you leave it overnight, it comes even more, comes in even more. This is my second project with leftover cardboard and foam board and leftover ribbon, fabric ribbon. And this is just a simple procedure of cutting out each letter and then gluing it down on the foam board. And this is the finished result. You can hang this in any room. I'd like to thank Jessica of Measure and Mix and Sikha M. Thank you and see you next time.